Welcome to the KS1 platform explanatory video. This free platform allows you to easily and quickly manage all of Kratos Safety personal protective equipment. You can access it in two ways, either by typing in the URL bar of your web browser the following address, k-s.1, or by scanning a product's QR code with a smartphone or a USB scanner. You will then be taken to your product's information page. Here, you can access the product's tracking information, the interactive multilingual user instructions, and the product declaration of conformity for its entire life cycle. If you want to use all the features of KS1, you need to register your product. To do so, click on Register. Please note, you must have a KS1 account. If you don't have one, create one by filling out the account creation form. The address you provide when creating an account will be used to communicate with you, so it must be generic enough to ensure that the information reaches the right people. When you create your company account, the username and password will be automatically assigned to the main manager of that account. You will then need to assign the product to a person or a department. This assignment can be changed at any time in the product sheet. You must then select the commissioning date in the inspection cycle. Depending on the intensity of product use, you can choose an inspection frequency that is lower than the regulatory requirement. Next, register your product by clicking on the Register button. A confirmation appears on the screen, and an email is sent to you confirming the registration. After registration, you can access the inspection guide for your product. 1 month before the end of the inspection period, another email will be sent to warn you that you must have the product inspected very soon. A product displayed with the green light is a compliant product. Orange means awaiting registration, and red means either non-compliant or to be inspected because it has reached the end of its inspection period and has therefore become unusable. We advise you to contact a competent person to carry out the periodic inspection of the product. After each periodic inspection, 2 new documents become available for consultation in the product data sheet: the report of the periodic inspection performed and the product life sheet. This document lists all the checks carried out on a product throughout its life. For an optimal follow-up, you can find the list of your company's equipment by using the link on the top right of your screen. This list enables you to view the status of your products thanks to the corresponding symbols. Sort items to view the OK-PPE first, for example, and also to access each product's page by clicking on the eye. You can automatically generate an Excel file that simply summarizes the information on all your Kratos Safety equipment. You can also access your list of managers at any time. This list shows you all managers added since your account was created. Note that each manager can add new ones. The advantage being that each one manages a batch of PPE from your product stock. So when an email is sent about a product, the manager concerned and the main manager will receive it, facilitating follow-up.
How to register a non-Kratos Safety PP. Contact your Kratos Safety distributor and order your KS1 Lab neutral QR code labels. Stick a neutral QR code label on the product of your choice. Scan your QR code. Click on Save. You arrive directly on the identification page. Identify yourself or create your user account. Now complete the request information. Those marked in red are mandatory. Choose the PP product category. If it is PP from another brand, you must indicate the brand, model, and designation. The serial number, the batch number, the date of manufacture, You must then assign the product to a person or department. Now, at the date of the first commissioning, choose the control periodicity. It can be 3, 6, 9 or 12 months. If you wish, you can add additional notes in the last frame. You can now add one picture of your product and up to 4 files such as, for example, the user manual, the invoice, the declaration of conformity and any other documents that you deem necessary for the product. Please note that the information recorded cannot be modified later. So check that everything is in order before validating. Once you have registered, a confirmation email will be sent to you and you will be automatically alerted of the periodic check deadlines. How to register a non-PPE product? Contact your Kratos Safety distributor and order your KS1 Lab neutral QR code labels. Stick a neutral QR code label on the product of your choice. Scan your QR code. Click on Save. You arrive directly on the identification page. Identify yourself or create your user account. Now complete the request information, those marked in red are mandatory. Choose product category Other. Indicate the brand, model, and description of the product. Specify now if you need to carry out checks in this product. It is also possible to register a product without a control deadline, in which case you will not receive periodic control alerts. If you wish, you can indicate the serial number, the batch number, the date of manufacture. You must then assign the product to a person. Now at the date of first commissioning, if you have previously chosen to check this product, indicate the desired frequency. It can be 3, 6, 9 or 12 months. If you have decided to not control this product, this option will not appear. If you wish, you can add additional notes in the last frame. You can now add one picture of your product and up to 4 files such as the notice or the invoice. Please note that the information recorded cannot be modified later, so check that everything is in order before validating. Once you have registered, a confirmation email will be sent to you. If you have chosen to check the product, you will be automatically alerted on the periodic check deadlines.
For more information, visit our website www.kratossafety.com or call area code 33 04 72 48 78 27. Thanks for watching our video and see you soon on KS1.